Welcome back, friends. So in this lecture, we will install the Docker engine on Ubuntu system. So we are on the official Docker page, and here we have the instruction how to install the Docker engine on different operating systems. So in past lectures, we installed the Docker engine on Debian system, and in this lecture, we will install the Docker engine on Ubuntu. So Docker engine is an engine which runs the container on a virtual machine or a host machine system. So we will install the Docker engine and we will test the Docker whether it is running fine on the Ubuntu system. And we will use this time the AWS Web Console to create the EC2 instance, and we will launch the container from that EC2 instance. So let's first create this EC2 instance on AWS. So we will use this Ubuntu OS, and maybe we can name this VM instance at Ubuntu VM, and we will keep everything as it is, and we will allow the SSH so that we can access this from the outside world. So we are keeping everything in default and we are launching this instance. So once the instance will be launched, we will start installing the Docker as per the instruction provided in the Docker website. So once it will be up and running, we will come back. Okay, so our EC2 instance is up and running. So let's connect to this EC2 instance from this browser SSH instance connect. All right, so we have connected to this Ubuntu VM, and let's go to this official Docker page, and here let's follow this instruction. First and foremost thing, they're asking to update this OS. So let's grab this command and paste, and we'll start updating the Ubuntu system. All right, so it is updated. Now let's install the CA certificates and the kernel. It's done. Now install these dependencies just we did like in Debian. So it's exactly the same. And now we are going to add the repository to app sources. So let's do that. And once it is done, we are ready to install our Docker packages. So let's grab and paste this command and let's say yes. All right, so our Docker is installed. First, let's clear the screen and let's check. See, this Docker daemon is active and it's running. So our Docker is up and running. Now let's test our Hello World image, whether it can pull the image from the hub and whether it can run the Docker container. And see, we are getting the hello from Docker. We have successfully installed the Docker engine on Ubuntu system. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. In this video, we have installed the Docker engine on Ubuntu system. So in the next upcoming lecture, we will try to install the Docker engine on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then we will deep dive on Docker containers. So please stay tuned. Congratulations for completing this video. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next lecture.